Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Recently, I had some folks from Wind Booster reach out to me regarding their throttle controller. Personally, I've never heard of them or a throttle controller, so I did a little research and found out they have a pretty legitimate product and they're a pretty legitimate company. They sent me a couple different models, both the IR and the 4S, which I'm going to give them both a shot. Packaging is actually really nice on these. The plastic doesn't seem bad, the connectors all seem legit. I'm going to plug this thing in and see what happens. As you can see from this display, it's really a pretty simple install. On a Silverado, it's about a 30-second install. You just simply remove the clip on the throttle pedal, remove the clip, install the new throttle controller, and reinstall the old plug. It might be a little more time consuming to run wherever you want it hidden, but for the most part, the install is pretty easy. All right, now I've got this wind booster controller I got to mount somewhere. Now, if you got a Silverado, you have more than enough options of cubby holes that you can stick this thing, just that are used for nothing else anyway. What you see here is the 4S model. It's a 9-mode throttle controller that Wind Booster offers. Myself personally, I do like this one. I like that I can scroll through the different settings. Pretty easy, but it is small. For those of you that don't like this, you might like one of the other models they have, which is motion controlled. For those of you with a little bit bigger of a paw than me, you might like the IR model. For this, it's real easy to control. You're not fumbling around pushing little buttons. You just motion that you want to do something, and it's going to change for you. The only thing you have to control on this is that little circle right there. Now that you can put it whatever you like, percentage wise. And it'll stay there. And you just off to the next one, whatever you want it to be. For some, this might be preferred. All of these units come equipped with a nice adhesive pad on the back, so you can stick these anywhere you'd like. Myself, I don't really like sticking things on my dash. I will probably just stick this in the glove box and set it to what I want. If I want to use it, I'll pull it out. When looking at the screen, you can see on the top the percentage of foot pedal that is pushing down. On the bottom is the percentage the throttle blade is opening in the throttle body. So on normal, of course, everything is even. Once you go up to the next step of putting it into economy or sport mode, economy is going to give you less throttle blade and more foot pedal, thus reducing your power. Sport mode, you're going to have more throttle on the bottom and less pedal in order to get it to happen. Sport Plus and Race, and so on. It's going to be faster. This will adjust your shift point slightly, so it will shift sooner if it's downshifting or upshifting, just based on the percentage at the throttle body. So if you had a lot of lag prior to this, you're going to have a little less lag. It's going to be a little more responsive, and you can adjust this to your liking. Next, I'll show you kind of the 4 different throttle bodies, all the same throttle body, just in different settings. You can see how one will start to open sooner than the rest. This is what's happening when you press on the pedal. Additionally, here's another footage here showing you how economy, normal, sport, sport plus, and race are allowing more air in sooner with less pedal. So it's just kind of reacting to however you drive. Additionally, you're seeing you're not getting more power, you're just opening it up and using more power sooner. I guess I'll attempt to drive this thing and see if you can notice anything. Kind of difficult to test it in town, but we'll see if we can get on the highway and maybe get some results. Well, ultimately, I'll tell you, it does work. This thing reduces a lot of the lag I had prior to having it. While I'd never heard of Wind Booster, I'm glad they reached out to me. It's a good product, and I can't say I wouldn't try it again. For any of you guys looking for this, I think they're giving some away on their Facebook page. Check it out, and thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you.